Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. Zena is already ready to bolt. As you can see, she's looking to jump off the couch and make a run for it. So we'll help her go. And Wyatt, you'll probably see in a minute, he is off to the side here waiting for Zena to leave, I think, so he can take her spot. I am excited because I have the Decocrated Winter Box here beside me that I cannot wait to dig into it. Love this home decor subscription. How great is it to just have home decor delivered to your door every season? And I think that Decocrated knows how to do home decor. They're awesome at creating fluid boxes that the decor just runs seamlessly together. And I have so many of their pieces throughout my home that I leave out from season to season because they just fit perfectly. And then they'll throw in that piece that truly is season specific that I bring out year over year. Cannot wait to dig into this, so let's do it. And the box is heavy. Look at the size of this. Oh, huge. I should show you the front. There we go. All right. If you're not familiar with Decocrated, it is $79.99 a season. If you do choose to sign up for the entire year, that price does go down to $287.99 for the entire year, so you do get a discount. And of course, I have a code for you, so you can get even more off. If you use the code LittleBoxOfHappy10, you'll get $10 off a seasonal subscription, and if you use LittleBoxOfHappy30, you'll get $30 off an annual subscription. I will put all that information down below. You don't worry, you don't have to remember it. All right. Here's what it looks like. They always pack everything in here so perfectly. Can't wait. Little pamphlet here that, see what it tells me. Oh, you always get little art, which I just love, and their featured artists this season are Chris Menendez and Kat Font, which means they are responsible for the featured artwork. And here it is. Look how pretty that is. Little Winter Wonderland. So pretty. So you can hang that in a picture frame. I also got a little book here that has a little pamphlet in it. Tells you all about the items. So there's the featured artists and has all of the information about the items inside this box. So let's do it. I can't wait. All right. First item. Where'd my scissors go? I was just thinking that this item had a wonderful smell to it. Must be the wood. And this does say that it is handcrafted. Check out this snowflake. How pretty is this? I like it. Perfect decor for the winter for sure. I think that is adorable. And let's see what they say about it. This is called the boho snowflake. Yeah, and it says, just like a snowflake falling from the winter sky, this one is just as unique, composed of multi-stained wood pieces and pieced together in a mosaic star pattern. This beauty is sure to guide your holiday decor in the right direction. And as a style tip, they say create a visual tabletop statement by layering different pieces together for a unique look. It smells wonderful for some reason. Must be the wood, I don't know. But I think that is so pretty. I do love the multi-colors in this. Very pretty. I love showing some of their ideas in the book, and they have it decorated on a mantle. And there's another piece in there, which I'm going to show you. I think that's inside here, but that's what they mean by multi-layering it. So we'll get to that in just a minute. So pretty. Next, I have two items here. Oh, all right. So first up, it looks like a pillow covering, and I think they always send a fun pillow covering. This one looks no different. It's a different size though. Usually it's square. So this one's rectangular. Love the trees. Fun. It is plain green on the back. It's very, very soft and has the fun trees on the front. What do you guys think of that? That is adorable. Let's see what it says about the pillow. I want to see what size it was. Inspired by an evergreen forest surrounding a charming winter village, this double-sided lumbar pillow will add a touch of holiday magic to your cushions. Want a pop of color instead? Make a wish and flip it over to reveal a lovely green for your home. 20 by 13 or 19 by 13 pillow insert for this. That is so pretty. Love it. And here is, they show this being used 2 different ways. So they're on a chair, and over here with the green side on a couch with the blue pillows from, I think that might have been the spring box, or even actually, I'm trying to think, might have been the spring box. I know it wasn't the summer. Very, very pretty. All right, and then right underneath it, I have wall art. And I really like this because I feel like you could leave this up all year around. And it's framed. You can hang it long ways or, you know, portrait or landscape. And look how pretty that is. And here is 2 ways how they show that being decorated, with the snowflake and over here on a mantle. Cascading water color botanicals adorn this natural wood framed art. Create your own holiday art collection and create a winter mantle filled with brushed trees and snow-tipped greenery. Not only is this a great addition to your seasonal decor, but it says keep it up all year round. This would look really pretty with the trees from the last winter box, if you guys remember that. And I keep those up all year round. I love them. This would be nice for all year round as well. Love it. I think that's so pretty. I like how they have it even decorated with the snowflake. Very nice. All right, now I'm just dropping everything, but we're going to keep going here because there is more stuff to share. I have everything else must be inside this really big box here. And this is the last one I have to open for you. Everything comes wrapped so nicely. I've never gotten anything damaged ever in these boxes. So they obviously have packing down to a science with these. Oh, look how cute. It's a little tabletop calendar in wood. How sweet is this? I think I actually used to have one of these, and I'm wondering whatever happened to it. Look how cute that is. So it has the day, the month, and then the year, and then, or the date, and then you can change it. That is awesome. And it's small and compact, so you could put it anywhere. That is adorable. I love it. You just flip these around. So adorable. And it says, how do I love thee? Let me count the days. This perpetual calendar is the perfect tabletop accessory because of its functionality and downright cuteness. Whatever the day, whatever the location, the everyday item is definitely a great addition to your home. And here's how they have it decorated on a little shelf. That is adorable. There's the trees I was mentioning. They're actually showing there on that shelf. And actually, no, that's not them. These are them. These are the little trees I was mentioning from the last winter box that I keep up all the time. But here's how they have it decorated in a couple different ways, the little tabletop calendar. All right, and then it's easy to change. You just take off the top and then take these out and switch it to whatever day it is and put it right back together. Cute. That is cute. All right, we'll keep going. This looks very interesting. I think it is a shelf of some sort. It's very heavy. And I think there might be something else inside of it, but I'm loving this. It looks like a sled. I think that's what it is. A sled shelf. Oh, this is adorable. Let me get the cardboard out so I can show you. And this has some weight to it. Check this out. It's a little sled shelf. Adorable. Has two little shelves, has the cute little sled in the back, little rounded bottom, and has the two hooks here in the back, one on each side. How cute is that? It's a sled. That is adorable. That is so fun. I love the creativity of these items. All right, if I have to get into winter, which is not my favorite season, then this is how I'm gonna do it. It says, the sleigh bells ring, are you listening? To your inner kid taking an imaginary trip down a snowy mountain. This festive and adorable shelf will have you yelling your love for it as you race down the hills into holiday fun and everyday functionality. So this is very fun. I like how they have it decorated. Here's in the kitchen with some mugs and a towel. Adorable. Down here, they actually have it sitting on a mantle down here. There's the little calendar. And then over here, they have it decorated with the wall art as well as the little snowflake. That is adorable. All right, we have one more box. This was fun. It's not over the top, you know, winter, but definitely the themes of winter. I like how they mix it. The sled, you know, with the fun wall art that you can leave some of it out all the time, and some of it is definitely seasonal. Wait till you see these. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. All right, these are little village houses. Check these out. And there's tree. How adorable is that? I love it. There's 4. That is adorable. I feel like I need to show you all 4 at once. I don't know if I can set it up here so you can see them. Can you see them all here? That is so cute. I love them. Now, there you go. Can you see them? That is so adorable. I love that. So simple, but so cute. And this is called the Village Houses. It says these were designed by the featured artists. And it says the winter holiday wouldn't be complete without a picture-perfect village to decorate your home. Not only are these little homes unique and charming, but they're the perfect pop of color to add to any holiday decoration of your choosing. So pretty, right? Yeah, you could really decorate nicely with those. I really like them. They show them on a mantle. They also showed them, which I was actually thinking about, on the tiered table from the spring box, which I love. This looks beautiful on a mantle. I think they'd be really pretty under your tree as well for Christmas. There's another one on a mantle. So pretty. Love that with just the mirror. Looks nice and simple. Well, that was my box, and I thought these items were gorgeous. I can't wait to see how I am going to decorate with them. And I don't know what my favorite was, but I kind of love these houses because you could actually decorate with these all year around. Again, I think you could turn them into holiday decor depending on how you decorate with them, but you could leave these out all year round as well. And I really loved this little wall art as well because I feel like you could leave it all year around. And then the sled is kind of fun, as well as this is just a great basic to have in your office, in the kitchen. Trying to keep what day it is straight because lately it's been really hard. And the snowflake is adorable and the pillow is gorgeous. All right, that is all my pieces. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I had fun with it. I am absolutely loving the Decocrated pieces. And I don't want you to forget, if you would like to give this a try, I do have a code for you. I will put it down below. As I mentioned, it's a little box of happy 10 or 30, depending on whether you want to sign up for a seasonal or annual subscription. They do have seasonal boxes as well. So once you're a member, to get the quarterly subscription, you also can do the add-on boxes, like the Halloween box I shared. They have a Christmas box, which I have coming in. I got to preview what's going to be in it. So adorable. Then they're also going to have a summer box, which is like a patriotic theme, as well as an Easter. There's going to be an Easter box. And then they have a shop. They have a members only shop where they sell all kinds of really fun products. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Would love it if you would hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, would love you here for long haul. Hit that subscribe button. Can't believe Wyatt never showed up. Wyatt, you want to come say hi? He's like behind the camera and sound asleep. Sorry guys, I'll add a picture of him here at the end. Until next time, bye everybody.